Good morning, students. Today our topic is odd and even numbers. Let us discuss about even numbers. All numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. जो numbers 2 के multiples होते हैं उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. And what about odd numbers? All numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. So let's discuss about prime and composite number. What is prime numbers and what is composite numbers? We have already learned that every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. Clear? So let us discuss first about prime numbers. What is prime numbers? A number greater than 1 which has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. So here is a list of prime numbers up to 100 like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Clear? And one more thing, keep remember that 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. As you are watching the list, that in this only 2 is the even number, rest are odd numbers. So 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. Clear? Let us discuss about composite numbers. A number greater than 1 which has more than 2 factors. As we already discussed about prime numbers कौन से होते हैं? जिनके 2 factors होने चाहिए और 1 से greater. But in composite more than 2 factors. If किसी नंबर के more than 2 factors हैं तो वो नंबर क्या बन जाता है? Composite numbers. Clear? For example 4 is a composite number because 4 के 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा factors बनते हैं. कैसे बनते हैं? 4 के 3 factors बनते हैं. 1 multiply 4, 2 multiply 2 and 4 multiply 1. So 4 is a composite number. And इसी के साथ एक और concept clear होता है कि 4 is the smallest composite number. सबसे छोटा composite number कौन सा है? 4. And the number 1, अब हम 1 की बात करते हैं कि 1 is neither prime और nor composite. ना ही वो prime number की कैटेगरी में आया और ना ही वो composite number की कैटेगरी में आया. Why? Because 1 doesn't have 2 factors. 1 के 2 factors नहीं है, so वो prime number नहीं है. Also 1 doesn't have more than 2 factors. 1 के 2 factor नहीं है तो 2 से ज़्यादा factors तो उसके होंगे ही नहीं. So it is not a composite number. So 1 is a unique number. Clear students? 1 is a unique number. Let's discuss about twin primes and co-prime numbers. Let us discuss about twin primes. Two prime numbers with a difference of 2 are called twin primes. There is a composite number between the twin primes. ऐसे 2 प्राइम नंबर्स जिनके बीच में कितने का डिफरेंस हो? 2 का, वो उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं हम? ट्विन प्राइम्स. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 and 5. 3 and 5 बोथ आर प्राइम नंबर्स और इनके बीच में डिफरेंस कितने का है? 2 का. क्लियर? सो दीज पेयर्स आर ट्विन प्राइम्स. 5 and 7, 11 and 13 and so on. What about co-prime numbers? 2 numbers with only 1 as the common factor are called co-prime numbers. ऐसे 2 numbers जिनका only 1 as a common factor हो उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? co-prime numbers. co-prime numbers are not necessarily prime numbers. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है, ये necessary नहीं है कि जो co-prime numbers हैं वो prime numbers होने चाहिए. Any 2 numbers can be prime numbers which has only 1 as a common factor. For example 4 and 5, 5 and 11, 18 and 23 and so on. One more concept is given that any 2 consecutive numbers are always co-prime. Any two consecutive numbers are always co-prime. Clear, students? Hope you understand the concept. Bye. Take care.